All of you listen. In which month is Dasai celebrated? You can say in English also, English month also, you can say in Nepali month also. In which month is Dasai celebrated?
दसैँ कहिले सेलिब्रेट गरिन्छ कुन महिना
Very silent, you have to write, you have to speak.
Okay, also. Okay, right. Now your turn. Listen to the question. What is the holiest river for Hindus in Nepal? What is the holiest river for Hindus in Nepal? Mainly हिन्दूहरूको आस्थाको विश्वास नदी कुन हो?
Say loudly, okay? When saying
What is the
answer.
holiest river for Hindus in Nepal?
In Nepal,
You have to say the name of river. Say. No, Narayan. Question passed to Group C. What is the holiest river for Hindus in Nepal?
Say.
Wrong. What is the holiest river for Hindus in Nepal? In Nepal. Wrong. Group A. Captain. Correct.
Bagmati river happened, no? Bashudinath temple.
Past question, miss. Now, your turn. Past question.
Pass question 1 marks, and when you get your question, that time you will get 2 marks.
What does the pair of eyes on stupas symbolize? यो स्टुपास जुन छ
Stupa.
कसको
What does the pair of
You
stupa
can say
symbolize?
Bodhanath, okay?
Yes, you can write.
What does the pair of eyes on stupas symbolize? के symbol के indication गर्छ?
Stupa.
बौद्धनाथ ठाउँलाई दिगोडा त्यो आँखा बनेको छ त्यो आँखाको सिम्बल के हो त्यसले के प्रतीक आँखाको मतलब के
Maxi, you also share answers.
पहिला बस
चेन्ज गरिदिनु नि सर डाइरेक्ट
गर्दैन कोडले
ध्यान
Wrong.
Okay, your turn. D.
Your turn.
सायद त सायद
Say. Yes.
What does the pair of eyes on stupas symbolize? No. Group A. What does the pair of eyes on stupas symbolize? It's something after stupa. No. Group C. Okay, B. What does the pair of eyes on stupa symbolize? It means it back by.
तिम्रो आन्सरै सुन्दैनौ रङ आन्सर
Same answer. Pass now. Question is goes to audience now.
Audience, can you say What does the pair of eyes of Shembunath Stupa symbolize? No, anyone audience? I have heard something answer from this group A, but they had said again wrong answer only.
Sipa, what was
The
the
answer
answer?
will be your here. Wisdom and compensation of Buddha.
Wisdom.
Yes, wisdom and compensation of Buddha. Okay, now.
एन्सर सुन कि तिम्रो अपोनेन्टले के आन्सर भन्दैछ त्यहाँ शान्तिको प्रतीक रङ भयो
बन्यो भने
Your turn.
कसरी भन्यो?
Listen the question.
त्यहाँ पनि
त नाउ देयर टर्न डी
What
Listen
is the
carefully.
direction Muslim face during prayer? What is the direction Muslim face during prayer?
नमाज पढ्दाखेरि कता फर्केर पढ्छ साइलेन्ट भएर
फर्केर पढ्नुहुन्छ डाइरेक्सनको नाम भन्ने
नाम भन्ने उनीहरूको वर्डमै भन्ने तर उनीहरूको वर्ड भन्दाखेरि बेस एकदम राम्रो होइन सर
के लेख्नु सर
के हो
डाइरेक्सन
ठिक छ नि
इस्ट वेस्ट हुँदैन त कि
इस्ट वेस्ट नर्थ साउथ नभन्ने क्या
अब अमेरिकाको मान्छेले
फेरि
पनि
उनीहरूले
इस्ट हुन्छ
बुझ्ने भनेको त जे बोलिन्छ त्यो बोल्ने
इस्ट वेस्ट हुँदैन गदा एउटै कुरा हुन्थ्यो
Whose turn is?
ग्रुप डी
Divya, if you know answer then say, don't know then try.
You have to say the direction.
Stand up and say no. Group A.
डाइरेक्सन थाहा छ
What is the direction Muslim faces during the prayer? No, west. Group B. What is the direction Muslim faces during the prayer? Group C.
सरले के भन्नु
What direction Muslim faces during prayer?
East west clear.
Audience, anyone?
साउथ
Listen to me now. In their word, it is called Mecca.
मक्का
Makkah you can say, but it is here M-E-C-C-A. If your spelling will be asked, then you have to say, okay, M-E-C-C-A. In bracket you can say in the nick
काबा
Kaaba.
काबा कहाँ हुन्छ काबा
Kaaba. Okay, next another name is what? Kaaba. Keep in mind. I have asked you now. Now group A.
Group A.
Again listen. What is the Muslim call to prayer called? Too easy question. What is the Muslim call to prayer called? Stand up captain and say me the answer. Rather no one will tell. Azan, correct. Now group B, listen the question. Where is the Shembunath Stupa located?
in Kathmandu.
Yes, correct. Next here, group C. Who is the Prophet of Islam? Who is the Prophet of Islam?
आज त हुँदैछ आज के को छुट्टी छ
त्यति पनि नदिनु न छोडिदिनु न Who is the Prophet of Islam? Zero, होइन?
your time is going out say fast
Within time you have to give answer. Listen.
okay time
मोहम्मद
What? Mohammed,
Full name.
What? Say the full name. What you can say? Or if you don't know, then say pass. Pass.
Divya,
Group D. Who is the Prophet of Islam?
yes
Prophet
right answer
Muhammad. Correct. Now your only
Their
turn.
turn.
Listen the question.
हाम्रो होइन सर
yes your turn
Your turn. Okay, now listen then. What is the main festival of Muslim in Nepal? What is the main festival of Muslims in Nepal?
खाली मुस्लिमको क्वेसन सोध्नुहुन्छ
अलिकति लजिक टाइपको हो क्या What guys? Correct? Okay, now group A done. Listen, hey. What symbol represent Christianity? What symbol represent Christianity? Correct?
ग्रुप बी
What is the name of Buddha's mother? Buddha ko
Yes.
mommy ko naam bol.
कीप साइलेंट देन
What is the name of Buddha mother? Pass. Hey, group C. Say fast. What is the name of Buddha's mother?
एब्सेंट थियो
माया देवी
Yes, Maya Devi. But you have to say in respective way. Queen Maya Devi. Okay? Correct. Again, your turn. Yes, no, sir.
योर टर्न इट इज योर टर्न और देयर टर्न
Their turn.
देयर टर्न ग्रुप सी
Which is the largest Buddhist stupa in Nepal? Largest Buddhist stupa in Nepal. Which is the largest Buddhist stupa in Nepal?
बुद्धनाथ
Say nicely once.
बौद्धनाथ
Correct.
यस राइट नाउ इट इज राइट
Now your turn. Which is the main festival of Limbus? Which is the main festival of Limbus? Did Bhanu Bhakta translate into Nepali? Be silent. Which famous book did Bhanu Bhakta translate into Nepali? Correct. Group B, listen question. Who is known as Mahakavi in Nepali literature? Wrong. Group C, who is known as Mahakavi in Nepali literature?
आदि कवि
Wrong. Hey, who is known as Mahakavi in Nepal literature? Correct. Pass.
यस राइट आंसर गुड
Now group
नाउ
C.
ग्रुप बी और सी
Group C.
यस ग्रुप सी
Which poet?
वेदिका
Next one. Which writer is called Rashtra Kavi? Yes.
जूनियर राउंड से
Which writer is called Rashtra Kavi? You are taking too much time, guys.
Say fast. Now only 10 minutes left. 10 seconds left. Okay. Group
Okay,
D.
you. Group D. Rashtra Kavi. Name of Rashtra Kavi. Wrong. Group A. Which writer is called Rashtra Kavi? Wrong.
सत्यमोहन जोशी सर.
Which writer is called Rashtra Kavi? Pass.
अब time
Audience,
over.
anyone? Name of Rashtra Kavi? Don't know. Listen, name. Madhav Prasad Gimire. Now, your turn. Listen the question. Which book on Parijat the Madan Puruskar? Which book on Parijat the Madan Puruskar?
बोल दे सकते हो.
Yes.
मैले नजन्माएको छोरो.
No, wrong. Group A. Which book on Parijat the Madan Puruskar? You have to say the name of book.
Srishti, be quiet.
Don't take too much time, guys. If you don't know, then pass it. Okay. Group B. Which book on Parijat the Madan Puruskar? You? Which book on the Parijat the Madan Puruskar?
सुन को झेल.
Audience? Anyone? Okay, now listen. Say. Telescope full.
Telescope.
Okay. It is correct. Telescope full.
Group A now.
That is correct, you know.
Oh, यता हो.
Group A. Who is the author of Panchatantra? Who is the author of Panchatantra? If you don't know the pass it, don't waste the time. Who is the author of Panchatantra?
Five seconds left now.
Time the model.
इतने बड़ा है रेसिपी टाइम.
Wrong. Question passed to Group B. Who is the author of Panchatantra?
Ten seconds left.
Wrong. Question passed to Group C. Who is the author of Panchatantra?
Yes. लेखो.
You don't know, then pass it no fast. Group D, who is the author of Panchatantra?
Jonathan say pass.
Pass. Everybody should. Audience, anyone? Who is the author of Panchatantra?
Dispute work.
Okay, see. Who was the education minister who resigned in April 2025 aimed protest?
ये क्वेश्चन सोधेको थाहा छ बिहान.
Who was the education minister who resigned in April 2025 aimed protest?
पहिला त उसले रिजाइन गर्यो अनि त्यसपछि प्रोटेस्ट गर्यो
त्यसपछि आन्दोलनमा आउँथ्यो.
आन्दोलनमा उत्रु अहिलेको जो आन्दोलन हुँदैछ
भर्खरै त्यो टिचरहरूको आन्दोलन भइरहेको थियो.
प्याप्सनले गर्दैछ जो
अस्ति पनि भयो. बैशाखतिर.
सर भारती भट्टराई
ओहो.
Wrong.
Little mistake.
Who was the education minister who resigned in April 2025 aimed protest?
It is Bhattrai, but no. Initial name is wrong. First name is wrong. आज बन्नवाला छ एकजना हैन. आज बन्नवाला छ नयाँ.
नेपाल आँखा झिम्किँदै अरूको बनिहाल्छ
Pass. Yo, Group C. Who was the education minister who resigned into April 2025 in protest? Pass. Group D. Pass. No one. Anyone from audience? Who was the education minister who resigned in April 2025 aimed protest?
भर्खर रिजाइन दिने शिक्षा मन्त्रीको नाम.
अनि आन्दोलन पनि गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ
Okay, listen then. Vidya Bhattrai. Okay.
टिचर आन्दोलन गर्ने बेलामा त्यो रिजाइन दिएको हो कि.
रिजाइन
Okay, Group B.
पनि आन्दोलन उत्रिसक्नु भयो
ए. Group B now, no? Okay.
Okay, listen. Which river bridge was swept away by a flash flood on July 8, 2025?
2025.
Which river bridge was swept away by a flash flood on July 8, 2025?
नेपालीमा ट्रान्सलेट गर्नु त सर.
भर्खरै है अस्ति बाढी के अरे बाढी आएको थियो के अरे पुललाई नै बगाएर लग्यो. कुन नदी
नदीको नाम भन्नु.
नदीको नाम कुन नदीबाट त्यस्तो बाढी आएको थियो?
नेपालमा छ. भर्खरै कुन नदीको पुल बगायो?
बागमती.
Which river bridge was swept away by a flash flood on July 8, 2025?
Whose turn?
Your time out.
कर्णाली रङ यहाँ थियो.
तिमीहरूको हो?
त्यहाँदेखि सोधेको होइन.
ल बा कस्तो
ए.
हो?
बिगिनिङ कहाँबाट भएको थियो? पास हुने कोही छ?
यही सोधिरहेको थियो.
ल भन त ल.
बिना भनेर हामी उता छरिहाल्यो रे.
No, wrong.
Your turn.
ल you can try.
कोशी
Wrong. Your turn.
Hey,
Say. Okay, pass from your side.
This river bridge was shipped away by a flash flood on July 8, 2025.
Say river.
A bit lively. Pass. Anyone from audience?
Say audience.
Bhote Kosi river.
Bhote Kosi.
ये सप्त कोशी हो.
Now group C turn.
Group C. दिसो नै. फेरि त्यसमा सम्बन्धित ल. Which bridge was destroyed in the Bhote Kosi flash flood?
कुन पुल हो?
त्यो ब्रिजको नाम भन अब मलाई.
These are the current affairs. You have to do LVS.
Which bridge was destroyed in the Bhote Kosi flash flood? If you don't know, then you can pass it away. Don't waste the time.
You can pass.
Bhote Kosi.
Which river was destroyed in the Bhote Kosi flash flood? Pass. Group A. Which bridge was destroyed in the Bhote Kosi flash flood? Which is the number?
त्यसको पुलको नाम भन्ने हो, ब्रिजको नाम भन्ने.
Give me the name of bridge.
You know the answer.
Okay, anyone from audience?
Chatra.
Listen name. All of you. Friendship Bridge 8, Raswagadi.
Yes, Raswagadi.
Okay?
Raswagadi.
Listen the name and keep in your mind. Carefully.
Group D turn.
Now Group D. Which country has the largest number of volcanoes?
कुन देश? Country name say.
Which country has the largest number of volcanoes?
Right answer. It is right answer. Indonesia. Now group A turn. Group A.
Group A. Which is the smallest country in the world?
सबैलाई थाहा छ.
Correct. Next one. Group B. Which river is sacred in Hinduism and flows through India?
गङ्गा.
Sacred छ.
It's correct. Next one here.
Group C.
Group C. Which sea is the saltiest in the world?
Sea को
Saltiest in the world.
समुद्र का
पूरे. Which sea is the saltiest in the world?
सबभन्दा नुनिलो समुद्र.
Wrong. Saltiest in the world. Wrong. Group A. Saltiest in the world. Name of the sea.
Saltiest sea.
यहाँ सोधेको होइन बीबाट होइन
सीबाट सोधेको थियो.
Say fast. Name of the sea.
कुनै एउटा सी भन न जो साइन्टिस्ट छ सबभन्दा धेरै नुनिलो छ सी
If you don't know, then pass it now.
समुद्र.
Correct. Dead Sea.
Who says this answer?
Its name is Dead Sea. Okay. Keep in mind. Now your turn, na.
Group D.
Group D. Listen to the question. Which is the tallest building in the world as of 2025?
Tallest building.
As of 2025. What? Yes, it is correct. Why laughing? Don't laugh while saying the answer.
Their turn.
Burj Khalifa.
Group A turn.
Group A. Which country is called the gift of the Nile?
Nile River, which country?
Which country is
Gift
called the
of
gift
Nile.
of the Nile?
Which country?
Gift of Nile.
Gift of Nile. Think it.
The gift of Nile.
Where this river lies now? In which continent? In which country? You can think by yourself.
Don't know, then you can pass the answer. Question.
5 seconds left. Say fast.
None of them pass. Time is about to pass.
Pass. Guys,
Group B.
gift of Nile.
Yes, right
Correct.
answer.
सोधिएको क्वेसन होइन ल your turn. What is the opposite of arrival? Yes,
Opposite of arrival. Very easy. Arrival.
What is the opposite of arrival? अब यो ग्रामर फिर हो ओके
हाँ.
वर्ड त भन्ने हो
Opposite of arrival. Their turn, no? Group B.
What is the opposite of arrival?
Say. Disarrival. No, wrong.
What is the opposite of arrival?
Late.
Wrong. Group D, what is the opposite of arrival? Wrong. Group A, what is the opposite of arrival?
7. Say.
Opposite of arrival.
Stand up and say. Correct.
Right answer.
Departure.
Innocent answer.
Now group C. What is the superlative degree of bad? Yeah, superlative degree of bad.
While teaching Dinesh sir, you are not listening, I think.
नेपालीमा के भन्न सकिन्छ
के नेपालीमा ग्रामर नेपाली भन्नु ब्याडको सुपरलेटिभ डिग्री के हुन्छ भन्न बिएडी ब्याड
Bad.
If you know, then you can write answer, okay? Don't share with your mouth.
Not good.
Not good.
Yo, what is the superlative degree of bad? Stand up and say what you are saying.
Say. Reveal.
Huh?
Evil.
Wrong. Guys, group A.
Worst.
Correct.
Right answer.
Worst.
Group D now.
Group D. Listen. What type of hobby is Ron? Are you in Ron? What type of hobby it is?
Ron.
Are you and sir?
Yes,
are you in
Aryan.
Ron? What type of hob? भगवान
Are you and me?
त्यो भगवान भब टु भब 3 यहाँ होइन कस्तो टाइपको भब हो यो
Kind of.
ए भपको नाम
What type of bob is Ron?
Type of work पड़ेगा उसका नाम.
Don't know that, pass it fast. Pass. Group A, what type of bob is Ron? हल्का लजिकल तरिकाले पनि आन्सर दिने है सिम्पली पढेको अनुसार आन्सर दिने होइन हल्का लजिकली सोच्ने क्वेसन के हो भनेर
आन्सर पनि सुन्ने साथीले
Think.
Try. Within time you have to give answer.
say it fast.
5 seconds left now.
5 seconds only.
Say it. Ron.
Time is over.
Question pass to group B. What type of hobby is Ron?
Say it fast. You have
Time is
only
about to
10 seconds.
finish.
5 seconds left.
Succeed, try.
How much time is remaining?
Time out.
I'm out. No way, group C.
Pass.
Stand up and say pass. Okay, anyone audience?
Group D.
Group D what is start गर्ने
ग्रामर लाग्दैन नेपालीमा भन्नु.
Ron कुन भड भो
कस्तो टाइपको तँलाई भब लाग्छ रन हाँ
Auxiliary.
एक्सन भब ओके अघि मैले भने लजिकली सोच भनेर
Group A now.
नाउ ग्रुप ए listen the question what type of noun is honesty noun सोधिनु
Honesty. Honesty.
honesty.
what type of noun is honesty
What type of noun it is?
honesty,
Honesty.
we have to say, not honesty honesty
Sir, abstract noun.
correct
Group B.
Abstract noun abstract
Group B. Be ready and listen now.
now group B
और कोई ठाउँबाट सुन्नु अब.
listen hey what is the SI unit of electric current
Electric current. SI unit of electric current.
ऐसा यूनिट के हो
ampere okay correct
Ampere. Have you wrote the answer?
okay
Yes, it is right.
group C
It is ampere. Okay.
listen hey
Not ampere.
what is the unit of frequency yes frequency
Very easy. I have taught you in class 8 also. Tinku.
pronounce के गर्नु हर्च
correct
Yes, right answer.
next
Book their turn.
What is the device used to measure electric potential difference?
Electric potential, no,
Difference.
difference.
What is the device? You have to say the name of the device used to measure the electric potential difference.
ए पेचकस ल्याइदिनु
Silly swan.
पेचकस.
त्यो नि प्रोटेक्सन गर्छ त्यसले बोल्यो
What is the device used to measure electric potential difference?
Say fast.
Hello.
10 seconds left.
Hello.
Screwdriver.
Thirdly song.
Screwdriver.
Wrong.
Wrong. Group A. What is the device used to measure electric potential difference?
Electric defense.
Potential.
Potential defense.
Don't know.
Think it and say
If you
fast.
don't know, then pass it. Eh?
Pass. Okay.
Hey,
Group B.
Group B. Name of electric device. Electric potential difference. That measure.
Say. एउटा पनि आन्सर दिनुहोस् त अरे
गइसक्यो पालो होइन
पढेन
ए यहाँ निस्कनु ल You
डेटा
can answer.
ओके से
What is the device used to measure electric potential difference? Electric potential difference. Wrong. Anyone audience? Correct. Voltmeter.
भोल्टमिटर
Yes. Preet.
कहिले कहिले बन्दिहाल्छ है
Preet. कहाँ start गरेको
डेट न
Sunday group A. Now it's from sports, okay?
स्पोर्ट्स
Who is called the king of football?
किङ अफ फुटबल
Oh, you last sports ball. Back in the phone of the
से इफ यु नो द आन्सर देन से आन्सर
केही नभन्नुको राम्रो केही भनेको राम्रो करेक्ट पेले
पिइएलई हो के
PELE ओके नाउ योर टर्न ग्रुप बी लिसन Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups?
Brazil.
Correct.
यस राइट आन्सर
What is the maximum duration of a football match without extra time? What is the maximum duration of football match without extra time? एक राउंड घुमाउने हो
45 minutes.
Wrong.
त्यति टाइम लिन्छ
Question passed to Group D. What is the maximum duration of football match without extra time?
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum duration of football match without extra time? Extra time without
मतलब
extra
सबै
time.
मिलाएर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हटाएर
Oh.
टु आवर
Wrong.
यति टाइम कहाँ दिन्छ थोरै टाइमको लागि मात्रै भन्छ डेढ टन
Group A.
1 hour 30.
इट इज करेक्ट ओके 1 आवर 40 मिनट तर मैले तपाईँलाई मिनेटमा सोधेँ नि मिनेटमै भन्ने 90 मिनट ओके कहाँ स्टार्ट गरे आज
यहाँदेखि सुरु गर्दैन फ्रम दिस वान साइड ओके डी ग्रुप डी
ओके लिसन है हु इज नोन एज द गॉड ऑफ बॉक्सिंग
God of boxing.
करेक्ट मोहम्मद अली
Said the answer.
प्रज्वल
प्रज्वल वर्मा ग्रुप ए Which country invented basketball?
Which country invented basketball? केटी एटलिस्ट एउटा केटी
साथी सर अमेरिका भन्दैछ के गर्नु ठिकै छ इट इज करेक्ट बट युएसए युनाइटेड स्टेट अफ अमेरिका ओके
United States of America.
ग्रुप बी
ग्रुप बी Who won the men's football gold medal in Tokyo 2020? यहाँ कन्ट्रीको नाम भन्दा नि हुन्छ है कुन कन्ट्रीले जितेको गोल्ड मेडल मान्छेको नाम नभन्दा नि केही फरक पर्दैन Who won the men's football gold medal in Tokyo 2020? Wrong. Next one, Group C. Japan, she said. You have to listen yourself, okay? Who won the men's football gold medal in Tokyo 2020?
So footballer को नाम.
No.
country name you can
Country
say.
name छैन. Yes. फुटबल नाम तपाईँलाई कहाँबाट याद हुन्छ? फुटबल गोल्ड मेडल. कन्ट्रीको नाम भन्न सक्नु.
Antarctica.
By standing you have to send.
भर्खरै त भएको थियो नि अस्ति अलि भएको थियो यु क्यान सी हु वन द मेन्स फुटबल गोल्ड मेडल इन टोकियो 2020 Wrong.
Group A.
Guys, who won the main football gold medal in Tokyo 2020? Let's start with it. Say fast.
लास्ट एउटा राउन्ड गराएर
ले यसैलाई तान्ने अब यार सक्यो अब सगाइदिन्छु अहिले क्वेसन कहाँ पुगेको थियो
यहाँसम्म आएको थियो
यसमा आएको थियो
दुईटा
अनि सगाइदिन्छु
अरू कुनै गाउँ खानेहरू सोधिहाल्नु चारवटा क्वेसन
यहाँ छ गाउँमा.
Donadan se pass. Your time is also
You have
going.
too much time
5 seconds. Time out. Time out.
who won the main football gold medal
यतिबाट सुरु भएको थियो
यबाट स्टार्ट भएको थियो ओके ऑडियन्स पास क्वेसन छ टाइम एकदम मजाले
छिटै गर्नु पर्यो अलि 10 seconds left. Girls think fast. सुकेको पात
Wrong.
Wrong answer.
See guys, हेर्दा छर्लङ्ग हिर्काउँदा भर्याममा बुग्रुममा के हो? Wrong.
साँप
Guys, हेर्दा
इन नेपाली you have to say सर्प साँप
Audience?
say fast. हेर्दा
Say fast.
छर्लङ्ग हिर्काउँदा भर्याममा बुग्रुममा के हो? Wrong. Audience, anyone?
ग्रुप है पास
बाट स्टार्ट गरेको.
ए अँ
No anyone, no? Listen. ऐना.
ग्रुप बी
ग्रुप बी. हेर्दा भन्ने लठी जस्तो रिस धेरै उठ्छ, जिस्क्याउने भुल गरे ज्यान त्यसैले लिन्छ. के हो? हेर्दा भने लठी जस्तो रिस धेरै उठ्छ, जिस्क्याउँदै भुल गरे ज्यान त्यसैले लिन्छ. के हो?
हेर्दा लट्ठी जस्तो छ जिस्काउँछौ भने त्यसले ज्यान लिन्छ.
करेक्ट.
सर्प ग्रुप सी योर टर्न नाउ
ग्रुप सी.
सर्प Who told answer this time? By yourself? Okay, good.
Listen, eh? आकाशका तारा धरतीमा आए, धरतीमा आउँदा मौरी रमाए. के हो?
मौरी
Yes.
बी
आकाशका तारा धरतीमा आए, धरतीमा आउँदा मौरी रमाए. के हो?
पानी पर्ने
नो रङ.
ग्रुप डी
गाइस, आकाशका तारा धरतीमा आए, धरतीमा आउँदा मौरी रमाए. के हो? भागिहाल्छ आन्सर भइहाल्छ. छोडिदिनु तर मिलाउनु भयो. अघिको ठिक थियो.
यस्तो
7 नम्बर रङ. गाइस, आकाश तारा धरतीमा आए, धरतीमा आए मौरी रमाए. के हो?
मौरी रमाए शीत नो
पछिबाट भएको होइन, यहीँबाट स्टार्ट भएको होइन.
त्यहाँबाट सुरु भएको से
सी फर्स्ट. आकाशका तारा धरतीमा आए, धरतीमा आउँदा मौरी रमाए.
महुरी बी इट इज बी हनी बी फूल के को फूल
Audience, anyone?
नो जुन केरी
Listen. It is common mainly. It is written here Tori. Yes.
तोरी को फूल तोरी नहीं बोलते
Listen, eh?
ग्रुप डी
This one. पिङ्ध सुकेको, घाँटी लुकेको, पेट फुकेको. के हो? पिङ्ध सुकेको, घाँटी लुकेको, पेट फुकेको. के हो?
भनेको तलको भाग.
तलको भाग
पिङ्ध सुकेको, घाँटी लुकेको, पेट सुकेको. के हो?
पिण्ड सुकेको, घाँटी लुकेको,
भेस्ट
पिङ्ग सुकेको घाँटी लुकेको पेट फुकेको के हो
सर
गो कपडा
ग्रुप ए
ग्रुप ए पिङ्ग सुकेको घाँटी लुकेको पेट फुकेको के हो
पेट फुकेको गोबर
Give the answer fast.
से फास्ट ग्रुप बी योर टाइम इज आउट नाउ ग्रुप ए कछुआ
रङ
रॉन्ग ग्रुप सी
ग्रुप सी क्वेसन सोध्नु पर्यो नि पिङ्ग सुकेको घाँटी लुकेको पेट फुकेको के हो
हात्ती
एउटै सर्ट भएको होइन
अँ
अडियन्स एनीवान
गाई
नो करुवा यस इट इज